So I'm doing some shaky cam video of the Star Explorer. So I've got this taken apart. I'm doing a head to toe rebuild of this, but it was working, quote unquote working, when I got it, but it just needs a lot of TLC. Pop bumpers were slow to respond. I got underneath the play field is just oxidation, not rust, but aluminum oxidation everywhere, dirt daubers. I got all the pop bumpers working great now. Just been playing with them, cleaning them, cleaning contacts, working the mechanism. I've got one slingshot working real good. This one right here, I just need to keep working with. It works, but it's not making good contact. So I'm gonna turn this on and show you how the pop bumpers look. So let's start a game, and I'll kind of show you. So we can get out of these. So that was the end of the game. You saw the pop bumpers go fairly well. There's still some exercising of the mechanism that needs to take place. I got to change out some lights. I'm going all LED. I've already ordered the LED lights. If you notice, both flippers were working on this one mechanism. There's nothing on this other side. It's missing a flipper assembly on the right side. I ordered another one today, so when that comes in, I'll hook this one up independently. I got new buttons coming, but it works. It's coming along.